This is an iBook G4. On it is Debian Jessie, or Debian 8. Yes, I named my iBook. I'm running XFCE because it's light and I don't really like the LXDE desktop, and Debian 8 is too old for LXQT, which I do like. So, yeah. Not that it really matters, but I also have the Mocha icon set because I actually like that. I don't really know if it goes all that well. What this video mainly is about is the fact that there's still a lot of software for the PowerPC Linux for Debian 8. And one of the things that it comes with is Blender. I should probably show you the specs of the computer first. I'm going to plug in this USB, which has some models on it. I'm going to transfer the models to the computer. I actually don't really know how to use Blender. Open. Let's first use this one. Double clicking. Okay. Hey! I don't actually know how to move anything in Blender. Oh, okay. That does something. I know nothing about Blender. Only that Cuckoo thinks it's cool. Huh. That's actually not bad. Or at least I don't think it's bad. Especially for something so old. Okay, so there's that. Let's see if I can open the second thing. Anyway, the fact it's moving at all. Kind of interesting. It's not getting so hot that the fan's going on. By the way, this model was provided kindly by Cuckoo. Very cool person. I like him. Maybe if I change some of these numbers. Let's see what I'll type 7. Enter. Okay, that did something. I don't know what these are. They're part of the model or some sort of I honestly know nothing about Blender, but the fact that it's actually doing something and seeming to work is kind of interesting. You can see the CPU graph. Want to see something else I have on here? Aiding Live. Interesting thing is that this actually fills up the screen very nicely. That's one of the reasons why I like this aspect ratio. I think it's really good for video editors. If anybody has any standard def video that's maybe 24 frames per second that they want me to do something with on this, then maybe I'll just do that. See you then.